Supply chain security is about securing the components, activities, and practices involved in the creation and deployment of software. Supply chain security got people's attention after the attack on SolarWinds Software, a company that provides systems management tools for IT professionals. Attackers were able to inject malware into SolarWinds' Orion product updates. As part of the build process, the malware-infested product artifacts were downloaded by the customers, leading to the compromise of customer networks and data. In some instances, attackers were also able to steal TLS private keys of mail servers to compromise email messages of end users to the mail platform. The compromised SolarWinds product was running undetected for several weeks, and in an initial statement, SolarWinds mentioned that about 18,000 customers were affected, and the affected end users to the customers were in numbers unfathomable. Securing the supply chain involves contractual and operations security measures. Whether we consume third-party components to make our APIs productive, or our APIs are consumed by others, supply chain security has to be integrated at all stages of software development, or DevOps. When planning or designing software, we need to consider using third-party components that are vetted and approved for us, and those components that conform to certain security guidelines. Planning to use secure third-party components is only a start, as components might get compromised during the code, build, test, and release phase as well. Using various techniques we will learn later on, we will need to ensure the supply chain is secure. That's it for this lecture. Let's move on to the next one.